So in this problem, we're asked to draw one card from a standard deck of 52 cards. And we're asked how many ways could this be done so that we draw either a queen or a diamond. Well, the first thing that we know that in our standard deck of 52 cards, that our number of diamonds is going to be 13. Likewise, in our standard deck, we know how many queens that we have. We have a total of 4 queens. And in addition to this 13 diamonds and 4 queens, we know that we have 1 queen of diamonds. And so from our counting formula, what we then know is that our number of queens or diamonds is going to be given by our number of queens plus our number of diamonds and minus our number of those that are both queens and diamonds. And so plugging in the values that we know we have 4 queens, we have 13 diamonds, and 1 queen of diamonds, and so we have a total of 16 different ways in which we can draw a queen or a diamond.